What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Q back again with another vlog, man. Today, man, we got the beach vlog. Your boy at the beach, you know. I don't plan on getting no water. And trust me, man, you feel me? Trust me. I ain't got no cut, I ain't got no retwist. I'm looking a little dusty. But yeah, man, it's a beach vlog, man. Beach vlog, man. Look at, we got everybody here, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all who out here, man. We got Mama AJ. You know what I'm saying? We got the bros. We got the bros.
Oh, got that. I don't know. That nigga got that Earl chance.
Yo, what's up? Kill TV. Shouts out.
Nah, for real. Y'all subscribe to Munchie channel, man. Just search up Munchie, like the chips. Yeah, y'all are fan. We got Jaquan, the cat, Quint.
Vlog, say hey to vlog. Give vlog kiss.
Yo, come on, man. My niggas don't want to kiss no other niggas. We kissing all girls. We kissing all girls, man. Put that unfinished tattoo up, boy. Yeah, mama. We got Charles burning his chest up. I don't know what he's doing. Georgia. Woo! That boy head gone.
I just told it to go like, hello.
Hey, put what up, football?
Watch out.
That's a real. Delilah. Hey, how you like this? Where am I blowing out? Say something to KTV. KTV. Say what you want them to do? Subscribe, right?
Subscribe.
Yeah. Hey, what you whipping?
Oh, there you go, big girl.
Hey.
Yeah.
Huh? You going over there? They got the football? No, for real. He got our low though. So. But y'all, I'll be back, y'all.
Damn, I got
Bro, this sand went through the shoes though. I thought that was made for not sand to go through it. I ain't want to get in this thing.
My shit on too, bro. My shit.
Damn, boy.
I should have kept my shit.
Yo, the sand got through my shoes. But the guys see, there's a lot of people out here today. A lot of motherfucking people. Too many motherfuckers. I ain't getting in the water though.
Nah, I ain't gonna know.
Yeah, nah.
They had gonna be a Vegas part 2. I mean, Miami part 2. They gonna phone them girls back there.
Yeah, I ain't getting in the water. I got my phone in my hand.
Them girls back there.
What we finna do right now?
Ooh, I can't remember this.
I don't know what we finna do right now. There's a lot of motherfucking people out here though. I ain't really on shit. I'm chilling right now though. Your boy still feeling under the water, so I ain't trying to walk up to the motherfucker from the back. But y'all stay motherfucking tuned to the vlog. We got food. We may got more people pulling up. We don't even know yet. But y'all stay motherfucking tuned. Yeah, you can call us catching.
Alright, chop.
real football. No fan in my head.
Yeah, you can hop in my shirt. Go ahead. Nah, yeah, it's recording right now. It's recording. Y'all go ahead, man. Y'all go ahead.
Shorty said he's finna lie.
Woo!
Damn! I thought you almost whacked Shorty ass.
Hey, Trey over there too. You gotta get these hoes in too. Here you go. Right there.
Woo! He almost like. You ain't got no aim.
Damn.
Yeah, you weak.
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna look. The first one was good as hell.
You ain't finna throw none. Weak cat, bro. Your ass can't throw.
I don't got aim. That's all I was
Yeah,
shooting.
bro. Yeah. Yeah, I'm cutting the camera for a minute, bro. Shit cold.
Miami waters were never like
Nah,
this.
for real. Miami water, way better.
Shit.
At least we can find shisha. Hey! Oh, bro.
So this shit's coming straight from Canada.
Oh, damn, I done dirtied the damn slide. God damn it.
You can tell Canada people cold hard. Look at that water.
No, for real. That shit is awesome. I know they got no beef from Canada. They say cold water healthy for you.
Healthy.
They walking.
Bro, y'all for the first it up. Y'all want it to cool down. They all
Oh, nephew. We shot, man. Ring it, though. Huh? Oh, I don't know. Okay. She got me onto this water. Don't know how. Look at the money. She gonna get her whole body ready. Free. Free. Stinky, are you having fun? Awesome. Awesome, Stinky. Awesome. Awesome. Girl, don't touch that money. That's good.
I don't have Stinky.
Stop, bro.
What cold?
Bro, I'm a splash, so she keep on playing. Oh, shit, get my phone up. Hey, I'm called Easy and try to stop. Baby, don't go too far. No, for real, Baby G. All y'all gotta do is get your wheels coaching to throw it. I've been scarred there since Miami. She saw her life. She said, I hope I got it. I turned it. I'm trying to take a piece of chicken off the grill because I'm hungry and it's real. Look at the Jeep with no doors. I'm trying to find me a freak. Ice Cube with the fucking flow. Y'all already know this, grab me a 40. Y'all to sip and pass it to little shorty. Little shorty. I told her bitch, meet me at the crib. Ooh. Cause you know we got the clips. And you know I ain't playing with that bitch, I'm gripping grip. Ooh. And I told them niggas dip. Cause one shot pop off, these niggas bound to rip. Ooh. And that's true, cause right now we got the 4-0. If a nigga tweak, he gon' have a big hole. I'm smoking endo.
Chest like a bagel.
Ooh,
I got 2 bitches from different states.
ooh. 2 different labels. Look at my shoes. These bitches alligators. Ooh, they're bark at you.
Bark
I got some rock riders with me. They're scar at you. Ooh, we carving niggas like some pumpkins.
Pumpkin?
We smoking on some grass like it's funky. Ooh, I got 2 bad bitches, California. Ooh, and I think these bitches really love me.
Love ya?
They down there really fuck me. And the whole clique. They just want to lovey-dovey. But I'm just gonna flip these bitches in the telly. I told Shorty you ain't finna rub on your belly.
Nah, for real. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. What y'all think, QTV? Y'all tell them what y'all like in the comments. So if y'all think she should go ahead and cop that.
Yeah.
You didn't waste the dog. You dropped the hot diggity dog.
Need to cook a little longer.
2 on.
Man, you
put
dropped
that
2
on that way.
on? Man, you done dropped 2 on.
I ain't dropped them.
I did that.
Man, that hurt.
It was fun.
TZ got the chicken cooking in this grill.
You see that?
He really know what he doing when he cooking the meat.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Pretty coming soon. Barbecue stove.
I started this goddamn barbecue business shit. That's enough salt, will you? It's too much salt, will you?
I know what I'm doing here.
For real.
Hey, grandmama, what's wrong with you? It's Craig.
He said,
It's mom, and I'm just down with us day day.
yeah, well, mama's in the kitchen. What, messing up the secret sauce?
Nah, for real.
He can, grandma, what happened to your eye? Shit, Whitney.
Quick that
No, let me
motherfucker
tell
on
you.
fire.
No, let me tell you something.
Yeah, that's
No,
how.
look.
That's how. Yeah,
That's
that's
how
how.
the saddest cook best in this house. Look.
That's how cooking fast food.
It don't matter.
Look right here.
That's because I got the lid open on that side. The air coming in on that side.